AI is taking over and businesses are scrambling to keep up. But what if you could create your own AI tools, sell them, and make passive income without any coding? Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm reviewing AI White Labels, the no-code AI tool creator that lets anyone build, customize, and sell AI apps in minutes. Let's dive in. AI White Labels is an all-in-one AI SaaS platform that allows you to create AI tools with a simple drag-and-drop builder. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or agency owner, this tool helps you build AI-powered apps without writing a single line of code. No-code AI tool creator. Just drag and drop elements to build AI apps in any niche. Full white label ability. Customize the app, change branding, and even resell it under your own name. Built-in monetization. Charge per access, integrate Stripe, or use AI apps as lead magnets. AI-powered marketing suite. Automatically generate promo videos, sales pages, and copy. It's super simple. 1. Build your AI tool. Use the drag and drop builder or let AI generate it for you. 2. Customize and brand it. Change logos, domains, colors, and style in seconds. 3. Set up monetization. Embed it, share a unique link, or put it behind a payment wall. So that's 4. Let AI market it. AI White Labels creates promo videos, sales pages, and copy for you. Think about it. Instead of struggling with old school lead magnets like PDFs and webinars, you can offer a free AI tool in exchange for emails. Neil Patel already switched to this strategy because it converts 300x better. And if you want to make money, imagine having 100 AI tools making just $10 per day. That's a solid $30,000 per month in passive income. AI White Labels is a complete AI SaaS business in a box. Whether you want to build an AI agency, sell AI tools, or use them as lead magnets, this platform makes it easy. Don't wait. AI is the future, and this is your chance to be ahead of the game. Click the link in the description now